In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 certificate error quickly and easily. This is a common issue that prevents Fusion 360 from connecting securely to Autodesk servers. And if you don't fix it, you won't be able to access your projects or even launch the app properly. The good news is, this is usually a simple fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's understand what's causing this error. A certificate error usually means Fusion 360 cannot verify a secure connection. This often happens because your system time is incorrect, your network is blocking the connection, or your security certificates are outdated, so we're going to go through each fix one by one. Step 1 is to check your system date and time. This is the most common cause. SSL certificates rely on accurate time settings, and even being off by a few minutes can trigger this error. On Windows, go to your settings, then time and language, and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, click Sync Now to force an update. Once that's done, restart Fusion 360 and see if the issue is resolved. If that didn't fix it, move on to Step 2, which is simply restarting Fusion 360. Completely close the application, make sure it's not running in the background, and then reopen it. Sometimes the connection just needs a fresh start. Next, step 3 is to disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs can interfere with SSL verification and block secure connections to Autodesk servers. Turn off your VPN, relaunch Fusion 360, and check if the error is gone. Step 4 is to check your firewall or antivirus software. In some cases, your security software may block Fusion 360 from accessing the internet. Open your firewall or antivirus settings and make sure Fusion 360 is allowed through. If you're not sure, you can temporarily disable the firewall just to test, but remember to turn it back on afterward. Step 5 is to update Windows. This is very important because outdated systems may have expired or missing certificates. Go to Windows Update, check for updates, and install everything available. This refreshes your system's certificate store and often fixes the issue immediately. Here's a quick tip to remember. Most Fusion 360 certificate errors are caused by incorrect system time or network restrictions, so always start with those before trying anything more advanced. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Fusion 360 certificate error step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.